No. No.
No. No.
Something that you say to agree with something that is negative.
He's not very bright, is he? No, I'm afraid not.
Used to refuse an offer politely.
Would you like a drink? No thanks, I've just had one.
Something that you say when you are shocked and upset.
Oh no, it's gone all over the carpet.
Used in signs and on notices to show that something is not allowed.
No smoking or fishing.
Something that you say to mean you can or will do what someone has asked you to do.
Can you get me to the airport by 11:30? No problem.
Something that you say when someone has thanked you for something.
Thanks for taking me home. No problem.
Here. Here.
Here. Here.
Used when you are giving someone something.
Here's a present for you. Have you got the paper? Yes. Here you are.
Used when you see someone or something you have been looking for or waiting for.
Here she is at last. Here's our bus. I've lost my watch. Oh, here it is.
Up. Up.
Up. Up.
Towards or in a higher place or position.
She looked up and smiled at me. This road goes up into the Andes. The water was up to the level of the windows.
To or in a higher place or position.
He ran up the steps. We followed her up the stairs to a large meeting room.
Along or further along the street or road, etc.
They live just up the road. Round. Round.
Surrounding or being on all sides of something, or in a circular movement.
We sat round the fire. I put my arm round her. She had a scarf round her neck.
To someone's home.
Wendy's coming round this afternoon. I'll go round and see her later.
In the shape of a circle or ball.
A round hole or stone or table or window. A round face. Centimeter. Centimeter.
A unit of length equal to 0.01 of a meter.
The picture measures 50 centimeters by 30 centimeters.
Pence. Pence.
Pence. Pence.
A plural form of penny, a coin or unit of money with a value of 1/100th of a pound. We also say 1 pence for a single penny.
The crisps are 50 pence.
Sofa. Sofa.
A large, comfortable seat for more than one person.
Take a seat on the sofa and I'll get us some coffee. Nothing. Nothing.
Not anything.
I've had nothing to eat all day. There's nothing left. Nothing I could say would cheer her up.
Brilliant. Brilliant.
Brilliant, brilliantly.
Extremely good or enjoyable.
Oh, brilliant. My parcels arrived. Did you like the film? I thought it was brilliant.
Hurry. Hurry.
Hurry. Hurry.
To move or do things more quickly than normal, or to make someone do this.
Hurry or you'll be late. She hurried to answer the telephone. I hate to hurry you, but I have to leave in a few minutes.
Suitcase. Suitcase.
Case.
A large rectangular case with a handle for carrying clothes and possessions while traveling.
Have you packed or unpacked your suitcase yet? Corner. Corner.
The point, area, or line which is formed by the meeting of two lines, surfaces, roads, etc.
Click the icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. There's a post box on the corner of the street. I've got a bruise where I hit my leg against the corner of the table. Passport. Passport.
An official document, often a small book, that you need to enter or leave a country.
Passport control. A passport photo. Many refugees have arrived at the border without passports.
sheet, sheet,
sheet, sheet,
A flat piece of paper or glass, etc.
A sheet of yellow paper.
World. World.
World. World.
Your life and experiences.
His whole world fell apart when she left.